Hello to my lovely ladies around the world. I hope you all are doing great in your life. As you know, girls need more time to get ready and start their day. They have so many things to do in their regular life. Well, life is a little busier for them. So, I decided to do something special for them. In this video, you will see some awesome girly hacks that you can do anytime to make your life better. Before looking at the video, if you are new, subscribe to the channel and tinkle the bell button for more content. Let's start the video and see what we have here. Braid-free hair hack. If you went to the party with tight braids and now you find them difficult to open, this hack is for you. Take a small tub and fill it with water. Add your regular hair conditioner to it and mix it. Put your hair in the water. Take them out and dip them again. The conditioner will make your hair soft and silky, which will help to open the braids without any fight. Foundation mark. When you apply a direct foundation on your face, it will spread and leave marks everywhere. You can test it by touching the skin with your phone. If it leaves a foundation on the screen, this is not the correct way to go out. Now, apply some face powder to the foundation and check again. It will leave the foundation along with the powder on the screen. But how can you get rid of it? Do not worry, because you have a solution. Whenever you apply makeup on your face, do not forget to end it with the makeup setting spray. It will help to stick the makeup to your skin. Lipstick shade hack. Do you know that each lipstick looks different on separate skin tones? If you apply the same color to a blonde and brown girl, the shade will appear differently. Do a simple and easy experiment to get a better understanding of it. Join the arms together and put small pieces of tape, leaving some distance. Check the swatches of different shades of lipsticks. You will notice that each lipstick shade looks entirely different from the other one. Checking the durability of different products. You can check the durability of different products that look similar from the outside but different from the inside. Every woman deserves the best products. So, these little hacks will help you to choose the right for yourself. You can do all the hacks at home because they are super easy to perform. Number 1. Foundation check. There are two types of foundations in the market. One is an oil-based foundation and the other is a water-based foundation. A foundation based on oil is not healthy for your skin. So, you have to check which is the correct one to use. Add both foundations separately in the glasses. Mix them using separate ice cream sticks. If the foundation dissolves, it is a water-based foundation. But, if you see small lumps in the glass, it is an oil-based foundation. Remember that oil foundation will clog the pores of your skin. But a water-based foundation will make your skin beautiful because it allows oxygen to pass through the skin. Number 2. Different base products. If you have no idea what moisturizes the skin more, this hack is for you. Take 2 apples and cut them in halves. Take Vaseline gel and apply it on one half using your finger. Take your regular moisturizing cream and apply it to another half. Do not apply anything to the third piece and, well, you can eat the fourth one. After some time, you will notice that all apple halves are changing color and become dry. But, the one with Vaseline is still fresh. Vaseline forms a thin layer on your skin that helps to keep the moisture inside. Number 3. Oil test. This hack is fun because you will test the oils. Take 3 glasses and put some slices of dry peaches in them. Every glass should have an equal number of slices. Add olive oil in one glass, cosmetic oil in the other glass, and baby oil in the third glass. Check results after 4 hours. The peach slices in the olive oil will become a bit fresh. However, the other 2 oils will give deadly and dry peach slices. It is because olive oil has all the essential vitamins to cleanse the skin. Number 4. The cleansing masks. Some women say that strip masks are best to clean the skin, while others say that a charcoal mask is best. To check out, you can do a simple hack at home. Take 2 strawberries and make sure they are not wet. Apply the strip on one strawberry and charcoal mask on the other. Wait for some time. Peel off the charcoal mask and strip. You will notice that the strip has more seeds than at the black mask. It means that the white strips clean your skin more efficiently than the charcoal mask. Number 5. Makeup removal. If you find it difficult to remove your makeup, try this hack next time. Take a flat surface and apply foundation to it using your finger. On the other side, mix face cream and foundation. Take the makeup, remove the wipe and clean the foundations. The one mixed with cream will remove quickly while the other one will stay and spread on the skin. Brush cleaning hack. Your makeup brush needs to get cleaned, but you need a proper hack to do it. The best way is to drizzle the makeup brush with soap. Take a strainer and rub the brush on the inner side of the strainer. Keep it under the tap of water so all the particles wash away. Lash glue. If you apply the lash glue directly to the lashes, it will create a mess on your eyes. To solve this problem, take a bobby pin and put a dot of lash glue on it. Now, apply it to the edge of the lashes. The lashes will look pretty without any gum effect on the eyes. Ring gloss. What if I tell you that you can create a ring that has lip gloss in it? You can make it easily using this DIY hack. Take one of the lens boxes and clean it from the inside. Add some Vaseline and liquid lip color to it. Mix it using a toothpick. Cover it using the cap and color it using acrylic paint or nail polish. Apply glue on the top and decorate using flower petals, beads, or pearls. Apply glue on the lower side and attach a ring with it. You can go anywhere you want and wear the lip gloss you love. You can customize it with any color you want. Full volume bun. Sipping from a cup can also help to create a volume bun. Make a high ponytail of your hair. You only need the cap of a plastic glass. Take the lid and put your hair through the hole of the straw. Bring it towards the back side near the ponytail. Bring all the hair to the front side and make a bun. Put a rubber band in the bun. Now, move all the remaining hair around the bun and fix it using the bobby pins. A perfect bun is ready. Change your dress and look like a Disney princess. Fake nails at home. It is an awesome hack to create fake nails at home. Make sure you watch this one till the end and try it yourself. Take a plastic sheet and put your hand underneath. Apply nail paint on the plastic sheet, looks like you are applying it to your hands. Take the ultraviolet radiation lamp and bring it to the plastic sheet. It will help to fix and dry the nail paint. See, your fake nails are ready. Detach them from the plastic sheet and apply them using the gum. Massage brush. The new massage brushes have made your life easy. Do you know that you can use the same brush on your head too? When you apply shampoo, use the body massage brush on the head to blend shampoo into your hair. Wash your hair and the brush. See, it is that easy to live your life in easy ways. It was all for today. I hope you liked the content. Let me know in the comment section if I missed anything. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon. I will come back with more fascinating videos soon. Till then, try these hacks and enjoy life. Stay tuned.